Hello and welcome to NTech Hub TV. It's a pleasure having you on board. This is the weekend news update making the rounds in the oil and gas sector globally. Starting in Nigeria, the Nigerian National Petroleum Company Limited, NNPCL, has secured presidential approval for the $20 billion Bonga Southwest Aparo project. Approved by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the project is expected to attract major foreign investment, create about 5,000 jobs, and produce around 150,000 barrels of oil daily. Also in Nigeria, the federal government has suspended petrol import licenses to prioritize domestic supply following increased production from the Dangote Refinery, which recently met about 92% of the country's petrol demand. In Africa, Ghana is expanding capacity at the Tema oil refinery, increasing output from 28,000 to 45,000 barrels per day to reduce fuel imports. On the international scene, President Joseph Aoun of Lebanon has called for internationally mediated talks with Israel to end the escalating conflict with Hezbollah. In Russia, rising oil prices driven by Middle East tensions are expected to boost government revenues as crude trades above $70 per barrel. Finally, tensions escalated after an Iranian drone strike reportedly hit the port of Salalah, damaging a major oil storage facility and raising concerns over global energy security. That wraps up the weekend oil and gas news update. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and share your thoughts in the comments section. Have a lovely weekend.